Hey, my name is Matthias. I'm the founder of Toast. Toast is a wood and leather tech accessories company based in Portland, Oregon. For the last 13 years, we've been creating iPhone covers, MacBook covers, a lot of, covering tech in natural materials. And, recently, as phones evolve, the excitement's kind of fading a little bit. So where technology is super exciting is electric cars. So we're really excited to bring our knowledge of natural materials, our design sense, and our lasers to Teslas. So let's take a look at what we've been up to. We've got a Model 3 here, and as you can see, there's lots of wood. We've developed a dash panel. So this covers the white plastic dash in a laser cut wood, real wood piece. So there's going to be multiple types of wood to choose from and customization. We've got matching door panels to cover the white panel on the door. And then you can see we've covered the switches as well. So really bringing lots of wood to the door. Down below we've got a doorstep. And then deeper in here, we've created a bezel for the screen, laser cut wood panel for the screen. And then we've got the center console as well. So yeah, we're really excited to share this with you. And if you want to find out any more information, you can check us out at toastmade.com. Thanks a lot.